morning student. Jai Hind. My name is Sudhanshu Sharma and today we discuss about MS Access. In this video we learn about MS Access. I mean what is MS Access, how to use MS Access, what is the utility of MS Access, where we use MS Access. Okay, so first of all we understand what is MS Access. Microsoft MS Access means Microsoft Access 2010 is a powerful database management software that allows users to create, manage and analyze complex data. It provides a user-friendly interface and a range of tools to help users organize, store and retrieve information effectively. Okay, first of all you need to create a table. For that we need to go on design view. When you will go on with design view, you can make your own table in design view for greater control on its structure. Through design view you can describe the structure of the table before creating it. You may enter your own field names and description means description of the field, and choose your own data type to associate with each field. Data type means short text, dob, attachment. So there are different data types and each data type have a different specific utilities. Okay, so we learn one by one. Okay, another topic is forms. So what is forms? Forms, when you create table, after that you need to design forms. Okay, so design custom forms to streamline data entry and improve user experience. Relationship means establish connection between tables to create a cohesive data structure. Okay, and what about query? Query, suppose select queries, retrieve specified data from your table based on selected criteria. Action query, perform tasks such as updating, deleting or appending data in your database. Parameter queries, create dynamic queries that allow user to input their own search criteria, right? Now calculated queries means perform calculation and aggregate function in your data to generate insight reports. Okay, and in generate report means first you need to design report. Create a report layout that present your data in a clear and organized manner, right? Add data field means select the relevant data field from your tables to include in the report. After that, customize appearance. Customize appearance means format the report with colors, fonts and other visual elements to enhance readability. So this is the short brief of MS Access. I'll explain in depth in your class. Till then, goodbye. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.